Hello friends, today we will learn how to install an Android app on Windows 11. So first open Chrome. Once it's open, search here for Bluestack. After searching for Bluestack, download Bluestack from here. Once done, open Bluestack. After opening, wait here for a moment. Here, whenever Bluestacks opens, you will be able to see that each Android app will be available to you. Here at the top in the search bar, we search for WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp Messenger is written below. Click on it. After clicking, click on WhatsApp Messenger, and below you can see it says installed from Google Play. So click on it. Here, see the Play Store option opens. After it opens, you will see written below. Click on install. You see your install starts here. See, it gets installed here. Now see. Here you can see our WhatsApp is downloaded. I hope you all liked the video. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe.